Hello everybody, I am going to be reading Dork Diaries, Frenemies Forever, Chapter 1 and maybe Chapter 2 if I have time. And it's one of my favourite books and one of the only Dork Diaries books I have. So I am now going to position myself correctly so I can read it. Okay, now I'm going to read it. Dork Diaries, Frenemies Forever by Rachel Renee. I think that's how you say it. Russell. Monday, May 5 to 7 is 15 a.m. at home. No, I can't believe this is actually happening. I just found out yesterday that I am going to be attending Northampton Hills International Academy for 1 week as part of a student exchange program. Yes, I know it's a very prestigious school, known for its outstanding students, rigorous academics, chic uniforms, and beautiful campus. That's a twist between Hogwarts and a 5-star luxury hotel. Most students would give up their cell phones for a chance to attend there. So why am I totally freaking out? Because it's also the school that a certain drama queen just transferred to. Yes, it's true. Unfortunately, Mackenzie Hollister attends Northampton Hills. Calling her a mean girl is an understatement. She's a rattlesnake in lip gloss and hoop earrings and blonde hair extensions. Mackenzie Hollister equals snake with lip gloss, hoop earrings and hair extensions. I have no idea why she hates my guts, but you'll never believe this. According to the latest gossip from her little sister Amanda to my little sister Brianna, a few of the Northampton Hills girls have actually been hating on Mackenzie. OMG, she's so pathetic. That's Mackenzie right there. They made fun of Mackenzie because of that video with the bug in her hair. And went out of their way to make her life miserable. But all of this gets even stranger. I saw Mackenzie a few days ago at the cupcakery, and she was hanging out with some of her new friends, pretending to be me. It was so bizarre, I almost flipped out. I wanted to rush down to the local police station and scream, "Help me! Please, it's an emergency. My identity has been stolen." Thanks to Mackenzie, my life is a never-ending drama fest. It's just in just the past month or so, she has slammed me in the face with a dodgeball, stolen my diary, hacked into my newspaper advice cup, accused me of cyberbullying her, and pretended to be me. Like, who does that? Only a complete and utter mean girl. I just realised there's no chapter, so I'll just stop at a certain point. After Mackenzie transferred, I was hoping I'd never have to see her face again. But no, next week I'll be stuck attending Northampton Hills with a spiteful, lip gloss addicted identity thief. Please, 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 let my BFFs Chloe and Zoe get assigned to that school too. With them by my side, I can get through just about anything, including a painfully long and miserable week with my worst enemy. Monday, 7:50 a.m. at my locker. I just got to school a few minutes ago, and the 8th grade students are already buzzing about student exchange week. I'm dying to talk to Chloe and Zoe about it, but right now I'm so sleepy I can barely keep my eyes open. Yesterday, my parents surprised me with a new puppy. Yay! Yes, it's true. The Maxwell family has a dog. Her name is Daisy. Wait, actually, that's my name. And she's a golden retriever. Her name is Daisy, and she's a golden retriever. She's a sweet, happy, wiggly bundle of energy. I love her so much, and so much that I'm thinking about making a new design of fragrance for teens called Puppy Breath. Daisy is absolutely perfect. She's super playful and so silly that she makes me laugh. Anyway, I was so stressed out about having to attend Northampton Hills that I barely got any sleep last night. Although Daisy didn't help matters, as much as I adore her, I'm starting to wish she had an on-off switch because, lick, that dog never, ever sleeps. And every time I just drifted off to sleep, she'd get bored and lonely and wanted to play. Daisy decides to wake me up. By scaring the snot out of me. Bark, bark. Tug. Me being attacked by a ferocious fireball in the middle of the night. I will have to stop it there, but I hope you enjoy. Thank you for listening to me read up to page 14. Page 1 to 14. We will read more. And just a disclaimer, I will, if you want, I did make my own bookmark. I'm gonna find it. I made this bookmark, so if you want a tutorial, I'll make a tutorial because you're my fans, of course. I'm gonna make a tutorial for you. So I will see you next vid. Bye bye.